Dear students, this is the fifth video of the chapter, The Print Culture and the Modern World. And today we are going to discuss the topic, the reading mania. So far we discussed that how print created a revolution in the society and particularly in the religious society. We understood that how print materials, it created a new reformers class that challenged the old dogma system or old orthodox system. And after that, we understood, we came to conclusion that book became a prime source of information as well as intellect for the large mass of people or the large group of people. Now here, in the reading mania, we will discuss that how the obsession was created, how the people became obsessed from the printed material in Europe. So we will discuss how the people became mad after books or after the printed materials. So we will discuss it under 4 different points. The first point is that with the rise in literacy rate in Europe, the demand for books was increased. Second point, that new literature, new forms of literature came into existence. With the change in society, the style of literature was also changed. Third point is here that low price books. Now, in order to catch attention of most of the public or in order to catch attention of the large section of society, it was decided that books must be, or the printed material must be available at cheaper cost. So this is how the cheaper books became ready and now it was available to the public. Now, fourth one, initially it was very difficult for a common person to access the ideas of philosophers and scientists. But with the printed material, now the ideas or the research of the scientists and scholars became very easy, became accessible to the ordinary public. So this is all the 4 points. So we are going to discuss one by one each and every point. Now, first point is that in 16th and 17th century in Europe, the literacy rate increased. And with the increase in literacy rate, new schools came up. They appeared in different forms. Like it is mentioned in your book only that different denominations of church came into existence. And the major role of church was to impart knowledge. So this is how, with the emergence of new schools, with the emergence of new church, the people became aware, people became intellectuals. And this is how, once they understood the importance of literacy, once they understood the importance of study, they demanded more and more printed materials. Because in the books only or in the printed materials only knowledge was there. After that, in order to circulate books in large number, it was decided to catch attention of the large segment of society. And for that, different varieties of literature were written, like drama, poems, stories. These all became part of the print material. So books now was in a position to cover different subject matter. So different subject matter got attention in printed material, and this is how it could reach to wider section of population. Now after that, one more thing was there, that how the book will reach the consumer or the readers. Here I must use the word readers because it is related with the book. So how the question was how the books will be available to the maximum readers. The answer was if it is going to be available at cheaper cost, so that even a very poor person could purchase it easily. So that is why now it was decided that cheap books would be available to the person, to the people of Europe. And for that, the shopkeepers, they had many peddlers, and it was the duty of the peddler to go door to door to sell books. Like vendors are selling many products right now. In the same way, the peddlers were selling the books. So at the times, it was the responsibility of the bookseller. So this is how the book became popular. the book became accessible to everyone. Like here it is, one example is given, chapbook. So chapbook was a type of book that was very small book. No, it could be easily kept inside the pocket. Second thing, it was cheaper. So the books came in different variety. First, it was portable. It could be easily carried from one place to another place. Second thing, it was cheaper. So this is how the books became source of entertainment as well as source of knowledge. Now, next was, as I told initially, that ideas of philosophers and this research of scientists were beyond the reach of common men. Now, when the printed material came into existence, it was possible for the researchers or scientists or scholars or philosophers to circulate it among different masses. So with the printed materials only, the books became available to the large section of society, and large section of society was now in a position to get knowledge about the research, about the theories of the scientists and scholars. After that, I must take the name of various philosophers like Montesquieu was there, Rousseau was there, Aristotle was there. So their books became widely available to the public, and it became possible only through print. So we came to understand this created an obsession, this created a madness for the book. So all these factors became responsible for creation of madness for the book. And this is how the reading mania was created in European society. And the society became very obsessed because of book. Now, so basically, we'll have to understand that now it was believed in the society that book is going to provide intellect, it has the potential to transform the society, and it has the capability to challenge the old system, the system that is irrelevant in the present context. So altogether, it revolutionized the society. Altogether, it created a new path for the upcoming generation in Europe. So we have to understand that the reading mania was created in the Europe, and the factors, those who are responsible for creating such mania, has been discussed. High literacy rate, appearance of new forms of literature, low price book, portable books, and last one is ideas of scientists and philosophers. So this is all about this topic. Thank you.